Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. Very
Are
clear.
you, okay, so are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have friends, ma'am.
Do you know which place they were designated?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, maybe go in Middle East?
Ma'am, because I heard Malaysia is a good place to go and it's a safe place.
Okay, can you
No,
help
and
me
no
in
salary, ma'am.
no salary deduction? Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. My good day, ma'am. My name is Rosemary Garibansuelo. I am 29 years old. Running to 30 years old this coming January 29. My birthday is January 29, 1995. I live in Barangay Hilapunan West, Carigara, Leyte. I am a full-time mom with two daughters. My height is 4'11". My weight is 57 kilogram. I have a live-in partner. My eldest is 10 years old. My youngest is 7 years old. So
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. What is your religion?
I'm Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
Undergrad college.
Okay, you mentioned that you got a single live-in partner, correct? And you also got two children. So, who will
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My father and my live-in partner, also my sister-in-law, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
He is 30 years old, ma'am, and a driver of tricycle.
How many siblings do you have?
I have a one one brother and one sister, ma'am.
And what is your rank in your family?
Eldest, ma'am.
You're the eldest. Okay, so what about your parents' occupation? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is a on-call driver, ma'am, and he is 56 years old. And my mother is long gone. She's not here.
Okay.
She's just
So you know what are you up to? Do you know being a domestic helper is very tough? Do you know about it?
yes, ma'am.
What comes into your mind that you wanted to be a domestic helper knowing that this job is very tough job?
To help my family, ma'am, to give my children a future, good future.
Okay. Do you know that you will going to sign a 2 years contract, right?
Um,
Okay, any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be reminded yourself that your contract is not 2 days, it's not 2 months, it's not 2 weeks, and definitely it's not 1 year. You will going to sign a 2 years contract, and once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone during working time, but instead you can
Yes, ma'am.
hold your phone during nighttime only after you finished your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. But if we found out that you cannot cope up your job on the next day because you misused of mobile handphone, then we will going to inform your employer that you are allowed to use your phone during nighttime for 2 to 3 hours only. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
On your rest day also, you are entitled to have your rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. But of course, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the terms and conditions?
Indeed, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sure.
We don't force people to come and work here. If you are agree with our terms and conditions, it's okay, you can come here. Then you will not give us a trouble. If you disagree, it's okay. You better stay in the Philippines and don't apply to other countries because you disagree for every terms and conditions of every countries, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that I just wanted to make it clarify to you in our initial interview so that we don't have problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia. Okay? Are
Okay,
you
ma'am.
healthy? Do you have any health issues?
Nothing, ma'am. None.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you are a full-time mother way back 2015 to 2022. Am I right?
Right, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. 2024, what month did you started working as a caregiver?
Um, February
February until?
until my grandfather um can walk.
Okay, February until what month?
March, July.
Okay, so you take care of your grandfather for 5 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Usually, what is your job responsibilities to your grandfather?
I do laundry and cooking and also um assist assist him.
You do ironing, you do house chores, cooking, laundry. How old is the elderly that you take care?
He's already 76, 76, ma'am.
76 years old. Okay, being a domestic helper is you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. There is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only and you will sit only like a princess. Okay? No such a thing, ah? Because you apply being a domestic helper. Yeah? So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I understand. Yes, ma'am.
You know that being a domestic helper, you need to clean all the entire house. If there is elderly, there is children, there is pets, you need to assist and you need to take care of them also. Okay? Okay. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can do multitasking, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Um, for the disabled person or children, ma'am, I need more knowledge to
Okay.
more
But
knowledge.
are you willing? Are you okay? Yes or
Okay,
no?
ma'am. Um,
Okay. Can you cook?
cook, yes, ma'am. Filipino dishes only, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. I love dogs and cats.
Okay. How will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family?
I will always communicate to my family after my work.
Okay.
After done.
So Rosemary, always remind yourself that this is not the Philippines, okay? You need to humble yourselves, okay? You need to humble yourselves, okay? You need to follow and respect the rules and regulations of the employer, yeah? Okay,
Yes,
so I
ma'am.
think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Yes,
connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.